Hi, in this video we are going to solve practice question for quadrilateral. So quadrilaterals basically is like four sides. So let's see, it's number one. Each of the following statement applies to one or more quadrilaterals. Look at it, all sides are equal. Let's check it. These are equal, okay. Parallels, no? Rectangle, all side. Look, all sides are not equal. Okay, we got square, all sides are equal. Okay, rhombus are equal. No trapezium. Okay, we got two. So first is square. After square we got rhombus. Okay, next. The angles are equal inside. Okay, the angle are not equal. Angle are not equal all. Okay, we got rectangle. The angle are equal. Okay. First we got square. The second is rectangle. Next, C. Look at C. The diagonals are the same length. The diagonal. Okay, this no. Okay, no. Okay, we got here rectangle and square. So let's write it again. Square and rectangle. Next, the diagonal bisect each other. Okay, this is bisect each other. Here also bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisect each other. Not bisect each other. Not bisect each other. Okay, we got four. Four is square. Next, rectangle. We got rhombus. And the last is parallelogram. Next question. The angles are 90 degree and the diagonal bisect each other. The angle are 90 degree and diagonal bisect each other. So 90 degree, no 90. Okay, here now angle 90 degree and bisect each other. So we got only two. Square and rectangle. Next, opposite angles are equal size. Okay, are equal size. Okay, equal size. Okay, so we got four again. First is square. The square we got rectangle, rhombus, and the last is parallelogram. Next question. The diagonals intersect at the right angle. So intersect at the right angle, diagonal. So for, okay, we got square, see the right angle, and then rhombus, right angle, and kite, right angle, only three. So first is square, second rhombus, and the last we got kite. Okay, next question. The diagonal bisect at the angles. Okay, bisect at the angles. Also bisect at the angle. Bisect at the angles. Okay, we got three again. Square, rhombus, and the last we got rhombus, kite. One diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two isosceles. Let's check it. This is not isosceles. If we, okay, let's check it for the rectangle. Okay, it's not isosceles. Okay, it's isosceles. Rhombus, isosceles. This no. Okay, isosceles. So we got 3 quadrilateral. First is square. Second is rhombus. Rhombus we got kite. Okay, rhombus. Next question. Copy the diagram below. Fill it size of all angles. So this is a square. Look at it, 90 degree. Bisect the 90 degree. So each, like A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to E and equal to F. All of them are 90 degree divided by 2 is 45 degree. Next we got rhombus. This rhombus. Okay, look at it. The A, this A, if you write A equal to D opposite, then equal to E, and these are 63 degree. Now about B. B, it must be equal to C. We equal again with G and equal with F. How can we find it? Look at it. This is base isosceles. So G and B are equal. So this is 63 plus 2. So let's write it. 63 degree plus 63 degree equal to, let's make it, this is as x. 2x, this two side equal to 180 degree. So this is 126 plus 2x equal to 186. So 2x equal to 54, which is x equal to 27 degree. So B, G, F, and C equal to 27 degree. Okay. Calculate the size, the marked angle in the following figures. Okay, look at it. One line. So this is 180 in total. So we got 79, 180 minus by 79 degree. So this is 101 degree. Here, straight angle is 90 degree. Okay, 180. So we got 90 degree, and what is this? So in total parallelogram there are 360. So let's find 360 minus by 90 degree. Here first it's gonna be 0, 7, and 2. Let's minus with 101. It's gonna be 9, 6, and 1. And we minus again by 58. The last is gonna be 1 on 110. So this is 110. One line is 180 degree. So 180 degree we minus by 111. This is 9, 5. Okay, so x, let me write it. Okay, sorry. Where is it? I cannot see it, the number. Okay, sorry. This is not 59. I made a mistake. So 0 is 10, then minus 1, 9. 8, we took it 1, so it's gonna be 7, minus 1 is 69. So x equal to 69 degree. Next for B. What can we see it from here? Okay, look at this is the right angle. So this is the 90 degree minus by 32 degree equal to, this is 8. So 7, it's gonna be 8, 58 degree. So this is 58 degree from here. Okay, this is also complementary. Okay, 90 degrees. So It's gonna be 58 degree, and this is 32 degree. Okay, let's find it out, this angle, because this is vertically opposite, so this is equal to x. Okay, what's going on? Okay, here. So in total of triangle, the angle equal to 180 degree. So x plus 58 plus 58 degree equal to 180 degree. So it's gonna be 6 and 111 plus x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 64 degree. So x equal to 64 degree. Okay. Okay, this is isosceles. Okay, isosceles. So the base angle must be equal. So this is 38. This is right angle. So right angle, the total of, let's write it here, right angle, total of 90 degree. So 38 degree plus x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90, we minus with 38, which will give us the answer of 52 degree. Next, D. Okay, these are equal. This is a parallelogram, so let's find it out. What can we see from here? Okay, let's find this angle. What angle is it? So this is co-interior, so 180 degrees. So let's make it. Okay, this is P. Equal to P plus 65 degree. So P is 180. We minus by 65. So which will give us the answer of 5. Okay, we got 5. 101. So this angle is 115 degree. So what else can we find it from here? So 105. Okay, look at it. This is the opposite. Rhombus are equal. So this is 65. Since this is also base isosceles 65 degree. Okay, so we can make it. Okay, not co-interior. Here also correct one. So this is one line. The total of 180. So 180 equal to x plus 65. So x equal to 115 degree. So this x is 115 degree as well. E, look at that. This is rhombus. So the opposite side are equal, the angle. This is x. So in total of triangle, the angle of angles in triangle equal to 180 degree. So we got 3x plus 2x plus by x equal to 180 degree. So this is gonna be 6x equal to 180 degrees. So x is gonna be 30 degree, 2x is 60 degree, 3x equal to 90 degree. Okay, there it is. Let's check it for M. What can we see from here? Okay, this is base isosceles here, so this also are equal 68 degree. So let's find it A. Let's change it the color. Okay, I think I move it some. Wait, let me fix it. Okay, 68. So let's change the color. So A plus 68 plus 68 is gonna be 180 degree. So this is 6 A plus, okay, 180 degree. So A equal to 180 minus by 136 degree, which will give us the answer of 44 degree. Okay, now we got it, this value, and then let us check it. What else can we see? Okay, this is parallel. Okay, so here CD. Okay, so this is C plus D plus 68. This is equal to 180 degree. So C plus D is 180 minus by 68. So which will give us the answer of a moment, is 2. It's gonna be 2, and then 112. Is it? So let's check it. 10 minus 8 is 2, so it's gonna be 7. Okay, 112. C plus D. As this is a rhombus, look at it, the rhombus. So the opposite sides are equal. So we got E here, A, and then E equal to 68 degree. CD is 112. So this is opposite side with AB. Okay. So AB, let's, how can you write? Okay, here. A plus B equal to 112 degree. If A equal to 44, as we got it, 44 plus B equal to 112. So B is equal to 112 minus by 44 is 68 degree. So now let's find it C and D. Look at it. Since this is isosceles, so the base are equal, E and D are equal. If E equal to 68, so D also equal to 68. So here, if D equal to 68, so we can write C plus 68 equal to 112 degree. So C equal to 44 degree. So we got A equal to 44 degree, B equal to 68 degree, C equal to 44 degree, and then D equal to E equal to 68 degree. Okay, there it is. Next, quadrilateral PQRS has angle P equal to angle S equal to 75 degree. So total of here quadrilateral angle is 360 degree, four sides. So P and S we got from here, so let's write it P plus S plus angle R plus angle Q equal to 360 degree. So P equal to S is 75, we can write it 75 here, also 75 degree here. R equal to 2Q, so we can write 2Q here plus 2, this Q only. Q equal to 360 degree. So this is 150 degree plus 3Q equal to 360 degree. So 3Q equal to 360. We minus by 150. It's going to be 210 degrees. So angle of Q equal to 70 degree. So Q is 70 degree. R is double of Q. 2 times angle Q is 140 degree. And then angle R plus Q, 140 plus 70 degree equal to 210 degree. Okay, there it is. Now a kite. So a kite is the diagonal are perpendicular. So if you would like to draw, let me get it. Where is the kite? Here, this is kite. So let's copy it. Let's copy, and we can draw it from here. Paste. Okay. Okay, this is kite. Okay, let's make it P. Oh, I can't write it. Okay, P. And then we got M, N, O. Okay. So this is the perpendicular angle. So mean intersect or M, Q, and the intersect. Okay. So let's P and then M, P, M, N, O. Okay, the intersect. So first we got angle of N, Q, N. Look at M, Q, N is 90 degree. So this is the first time. So let us find it. Okay, the sum of angle M, this is QN, the triangle of MQN. Okay, the sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so how can we find the angle of M and Q? M and Q. Here, M and Q. This angle M, N, and Q. Or so this is, let's find it, 180 from the total. We minus by M, QN, which is we got it. And then we minus by the angle of, here we got QMN. So this is gonna be 180 degree. We minus by 48 degree. And and minus by 90 degree. 48 is for QMN and 90 degree for angle of MQN. So this angle equal to 42 degree. Okay, we got M and Q. So how can we calculate the angle of this? The angle of M and P. Look at it, a kite. So one diagonal bisect at the angle at the vertical connect. So angle of diagonal PN, this is bisect M and O, M and O, and MPO, MPO, this is bisect. Okay. However, also if they are bisect, so we can write it like angle of M and P, M and P is equal to angle of O and P, O and P. So M and P equal to O and P. So if we got, look at it, here P and O equal to 62. So M and P also equal to 62 degree. M and P equal to 62 degree. Okay, so we got M and P equal to 62 degree. So how can we find M and O? You can write it from here, angle M and O. So this is the sum of M and O. So this is the sum of M, angle M, and Q, and angle of Q and O. So we got from here, since Q and O equal to angle P and O equal to 62 degree, so angle of M and O equal to 42 degree plus 62 degree, which will give us the answer of 180 4 degree. Okay, so let's write it one by one. So this is 62 degree, and then this is 104 degree. Okay, and then the last we got angle of here, angle of PON. So the sum of QON is 180 degree, the triangle. So let's find it. QON equal to 180 degree minus by angle of NQO minus by angle of QNO. So this is 180 degree minus by 90 degree minus by 62 degree, which will give us the answer of 28 degree. So since QON equal to PON, so the angle of PON equal to 28 degree. So this is 28 degree. Okay, there it is. Okay, now let's move it to, okay, here. How well do you know the names and properties of the quadrilateral? Okay, we should know that. Does the quadrilateral have any parallel side? All of them have any parallel side except for only one, which is kite. So we know A, this is equal to kite. So are two pairs of side parallel? Look at this. All of them, yes. They got two pair. Look at parallelogram, they got rectangle also. They got only trapezium with no. So we can write B equal to trapezium. If yes, look at it, yes. Let's check it for the no first. Does the quadrilateral have any right angles? If no, the possible answer is only parallelogram and rhombus. Okay, let's check it. Are the sides equal in length? Are the sides equal in length? Let's check it. Are the sides equal in length? Okay, are the sides equal in length? Rhombus yes, parallelogram no. So if the side equal in length, if yes, so this is a rhombus. If no, is parallelogram. Are the side equal in length? If yes, this is square. And if no, that is rectangle. Okay, there it is. Thank you.